Hey everybody, we're at 1684 Spotted Wolf, and it's a great community. It's gated, and it does have a loft upstairs, so you can utilize that for anything.
This home has a very open floor plan, which leads into a great backyard, which also has a great entertaining space, and it has a 2-car garage.
So we're gonna go ahead and take you guys inside so you guys can see this beautiful home. That was a beautiful house. This neighborhood is great. We are in Silverado Ranch, which is by Silverado High School, and it's also by a junior high called Schofield. So Sam's Club is down the street. There's a lot of shopping, there's restaurants, and you're about 15 minutes away from the airport.
So as far as the payment is concerned, you could purchase this home for a low payment of $3,076, which includes the HOA of $85. And included in that HOA is a beautiful community pool.
We also have another video that we're going to be talking about interest rate buy downs, and that way you guys can have a lower interest rate, because I know you guys are talking about the higher interest rate right now. So if you want to know more about this property, you can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.